To connect the SmartFinder Pro to an external monitor, we have two different options. One of them is to use the Lightning to HDMI adapter and connect it through an HDMI cable with a screen and, well, that way mirror the screen. Another way is to use Apple's built-in screen mirroring option and connect it to an Apple TV or iPad. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any future videos. If you have any questions about any IB optic products, just let us know in the comment section. For more information about the SmartFinder Pro, make sure to check out the link in the description, or you can check out all the other videos in our SmartFinder Pro playlist, which you can find right here. That's it for today. See you next time. Servus.